Rust is not just a surface issue. On marine and industrial steel, it can reduce protection and increase maintenance costs. Say goodbye to rust with UniCLean America. LATEX RUST CONVERTOR PRIME helps convert, protect, and prepare rusted steel in one efficient treatment. It creates a rust-preventive layer and an adherent primer coat, preparing the surface for subsequent protective coatings. Cost-effective and practical, it reduces separate rust removal and primer steps while supporting durable protection for up to 10 years when properly applied. Before treatment, remove loose rust, flakes, oil, grease, salts, deteriorated paint, mill scale, and surface contamination. LATEX RUST CONVERTOR PRIME is a milky white, ready-to-use treatment, applied in one thin, even coat by brush, roller, or spray. It converts adherent rust into a stable blue-black layer, helping create a strong rust-preventive surface. It also creates an adherent latex prime coat, preparing the steel for subsequent protective coatings. One product, two critical functions. Convert rust, prime the surface, then paint for modern steelwear protection. LATEX RUST CONVERTOR PRIME is suitable for marine steel, offshore structures, and shipyard corrosion-prone steel applications. It supports corrosion control and steel maintenance on pipelines, tanks, structural steel, and exposed industrial metal surfaces. Welcome to the future of rust protection. LATEX RUST CONVERTOR PRIME by UniCLean America. Convert it, prime it, protect it.